In this video, we will see about industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Introduction. Industries contribute a great significance to Indian economy for its growth and its development. Due to increase in industries, there are major concerns rising that are water pollution, air pollution and land degradation. The four main types of industrial pollution are the air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution and noise pollution. The air pollution. Air pollution is mainly caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and many more. Air contains both liquid particles and solid particles like the dust, spray, water and mist. Smoke is mainly emitted by paper industries, burning of fossil fuels, refineries and smelting plants. Factory ignores the pollution norms and the health of the public. Toxic leak may be long-term effect. The best example is the Bhopal gas tragedy. Effects of air pollution. Air pollution causes an adverse effect to human life. Air pollution causes acid rain and the acid rain causes corrosion of monumental structures. Also cause damage to crops. It is very harmful to aquatic organisms. Acid rain also cause water pollution. Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lungs disease and respiratory disease. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerve, brain, kidney and other organs. Water pollution. Water pollution is mainly caused by inorganic effluents which are produced by the industries. Water pollution is mainly caused by pulp, paper, chemical making industries. They produce waste materials directly into the water bodies. Many chemicals used in electroplating, mercuries, dyes, metals, when they are released into water, they cause death to aquatic organisms. Effects of water pollution. Water pollution is mainly causing death to many aquatic organisms and it disturbs the ecological balance. They cause typhoid, cholera, dysenteries. Removal of desirable substance from the water bodies with increase in amount of organic substance, the bacteria will multiply and rapidly use the available oxygen and lack of oxygen will kill the fish and other aquatic animals. Thermal pollution. When hot water from the factories and thermal power plants are released to sea, river, oceans, they become more warmer. Due to becoming of more warm, the warm water kills the aquatic organism. It also increases the global warming and hence responsible for increasing level of sea level. The dumping of harmful waste like glass, garbages, fertilizer also cause thermal pollution and makes the groundwater contaminated. The noise pollution. The unwanted noise in the environment is called as the noise pollution. The irritation, angriness, stress, anxiety and many more are caused by noise pollution. The increase in heart rate, blood pressure and other effects is caused by noise pollution. Noise comes from various sources: construction, mining activities, drills and many other activities. The different pollution causing industries are Sterlite Industries, Royal Dutch Shell, China Shenhua and Rio Tinto. The method how to minimize the pollution: by using public transport, turn off lights when not in use, recycle and reuse, say no to plastic bags, reduction of forest fire and smoking, use of fans instead of air conditioner, use filters for chimneys, avoid use of crackers, buying a car that has a greater fuel efficiency, using energy efficient light bulbs and appliances. Thank you.